Hi guys, how are you? Let me explain to you today about the chiller plant. There's a brief description. Okay, in chiller plant we have mainly two loops. One loop is closed loop, which is called chilled water loop. Other loop is open loop, which is called cooling tower loop. Open circuit, cooling tower, closed circuit, chill water. This you can see, this is condenser pump. This coming in the basement, there is a main header. From cooling tower, the water is coming through this strainer, flexible joint pump, 2500 GPM, and then this water is going to the condenser. This is the condenser, and this counterflow condenser, the water is going in from here, and from here is out, and then going out from here. You can see the pipe, it is going again to the basement. This is the open loop. Now inside the tube there is water, condenser water, which used for cooling the freon. And outside the tube in the shell there is refrigerant R134A, which is environmental friendly. So this condenser water, the cool water is coming, let's say approximately 84, 85, and the out is going 95, 94. These are the sensors and the flow switches on the condenser. In case there is no water, so it will trip the chiller, because if there is no water, the tube will damage. So this is the flow switch and temperature sensor. So these are working, one for protection, other one is for the readings. One sensor is here. This is the inlet temperature, and this is for the outlet temperature and flow. Okay, so this we are talking about condenser. Now here is the closed loop. Closed loop. This is the inlet with the strainer, pressure gauges, flow meter, PDIS. This is the one, pressure differential switch, and this is the primary pump for the chilled water closed loop. And this pipe is going in to the evaporator. This is the inlet to the evaporator. This is the inlet temperature sensor. This is the inlet, and the water is going to the other side and coming out from here. And this is the outlet chill water of the evaporator. The same way as of condenser, here is also temperature and flow sensors. You can see here, temperature and flow sensor. In case there is no flow, it will trip the chiller, because if there is no flow, it will damage the tube. So to protect the tube, there is flow sensor here. So this flow sensor here, you can see the flow sensor. This is the one. So the flow sensor is working as a safety. If there is no flow, it will trip the chiller. And the temperature, it is the inlet and outlet temperature, it will show you. Okay, and in the same way as of condenser, this evaporator, inside the tube there is chilled water. Outside the tube, there is freon. Okay. So in the chiller, there is, you can say, totally 3 circuits. One is the chilled water circuit, closed loop. Other is the condenser water circuit, open loop through cooling tower. And the other is the refrigerant, freon. That is inside the chiller, outside the tube. That is the chiller. This is the compressor. This is the suction of the compressor. Then you can see this is the PRV, pre-rotation vane. And then you can see on the above, this is the visual geometry. Okay. And this is the compressor, 740 kilowatt. This is chiller York by Johnson Control chiller. You can see the specification here also. If you want, you can see all the specification, whatever you need. Okay. Use R134 chiller number 3. Okay. And this is the side glass where you can see the level of the refrigerant. If the refrigerant is less, it will not show here. Or if the LCV is not working, it will not show. This is the RLDS sensor. If there is any leakage, more leakage of freon, it will sense and it will give alarm that there is leakage of freon. Now our tube cleaning is continued. You can see here. Mare. You can see here this is the tube cleaning machine where there is a shaft and this shaft is rotating plus water, pressurized water. This is the condenser. Inside the tube there is water, outside the tube there is freon. This is evaporator. The same, inside the tube there is chill water, outside the tube there is water. You can see now tube cleaning is in progress. Tube cleaning is in progress. Okay, this is the end cover of this one. These are the bolts, nuts, which is already arranged. The main important thing is we have a spare machine also. These are the gaskets which is used for this one. These are the brushes for cleaning purpose. Now you can see here, he is doing the tube cleaning. The rotation forward and reverse, and you can see here the shaft is rotating. Come out now. So this all is about chiller. Now let me show you the chiller, which is now in running condition. This is the end cover for the evaporator. These are the tools, all the tools we have. One chiller is in operation. This is the oil pump of the chiller. Side glass. Okay. This is the condenser and evaporator. Evaporator have insulation, condenser have no insulation. Because we want to evaporate the heat, dissipate the heat. This is the chiller in operation. You can see here the temperature, condenser inlet, outlet, chill water inlet, outlet, the percentage load and everything. You can see here there are systems. These are this one. This is the condenser. This is the compressor. This is the oil sump. Motor. These are the set points, and this is the total system. Okay, and you can see the freon here. Full. Okay, so it is the same. It is now in operation. Okay, thank you guys, thank you.